Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn English language in Russian lesson 2. In lesson 2 we will learn some basic vocabulary and grammar. So without wasting any time, let's start. We normally use these words in our daily life. So first one is pen. Pen. Pen is for ruchka. Ruchka. Teacher. Teacher. Teacher is for uchitel. Uchitel. Phone. Phone. Phone is for telephone. Telephone. Laptop. Laptop. Laptop is for notebook. Notebook. T-shirt. T-shirt. It is for football ka. Football ka. Pant. Pant. Pant is for brewki. Brewki. Skateboard. Skateboard. Skateboard is for skateboard. Skateboard. Football. Football. Football is for football. Football. Bed. Bed. Bed is for krovat. Krovat. Almira. Almira. Almira is for Almira. Almira. Bathroom. Bathroom. Bathroom is for vana. Vana. Toilet. Toilet. Toilet is for toilet. Toilet. Bread. Bread. Bread is for khalep. Khalep. Butter. Butter. It is for masla slivachnay. Masla slivachnay. Pizza. Pizza. Pizza is for pizza. Pizza. Burger. Burger. Burger is for burger. Burger. And now we are going to do some basic grammar. We'll start with helping verbs. Is, am, are. Point number 1, these are helping verbs. Point number 2, these are present continuous. And point number 3, these are form of be. Is. It is used for third person and singular subject. Third person means we are talking about a person who is not present. For example, Humaira is planning for a trip. So, Humaira is a third person because she is not present. Or, he is traveling around the world. So, he is also a third person because he is not present right now. Am. It is used for first person and singular subject. For example, I. I am a girl. Or I am eating food. Are. It is used for first, second and third person for plural subject. For example, we are going to the party. We is a plural subject and first person. You are writing a letter. You is second person and singular subject. Or they are enjoying the picnic. So they is a plural subject and third person. Inshallah, we'll meet soon in our next video.